Six Sigma and pull systems are all great strategies to implement. And once they are implemented, you need a place, a cave, or a headquarters that teams can operate from. Traditionally, this place was called a promotion office, Lean Promotion Center, or a Kaizen office. This centralized location is mainly a place where improvement team meetings can be held and ideas shared. This Kaizen or Lean Promotion Office is a place where the internal team drives the strategic efforts forward. They can do this by coaching, teaching, training, and implementing lean philosophies, tools, and techniques throughout the entire organization. The promotion office, where a dedicated improvement team resides, is here. This team is the main resource and drivers that facilitate the change of culture and thinking within the organization in terms of challenging how work is done from the strategic level all the way down to the Gemba. It is an integral part of a successful implementation. While some may see a lean promotion office as an expense, it will undoubtedly turn into a cost saver and more than likely a place where value is added. When the improvement team is properly trained, coached, and supported, they can use quick improvements that will help build momentum in your strategy, as well as achieve sustainable results over a longer period of time.